Standard 7th, Subject Mathematics, Unit Geometrical Construction, Subunit Construction of a Triangle. Hello students. On earlier period, we have learned to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides. Means length of three sides was given that time and we have constructed that triangle. Now we have to construct here a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Means here two sides and one angle. That angle is included by those side. Such a type of triangle today we have to construct. So let us take one example. Today we are going to draw triangle PQR such that length PQ is 5.5 cm, measurement of angle P is equal to 50 degree, length PR is equal to 5 cm. Means here two sides and one angle, measurement of two sides and one angle we have to taken here and we have to draw the given triangle. Now for that you know that we have to draw first rough figure. Without rough figure we cannot draw any triangle. So first the length PQ is equal here, so we will take the length PQ as a base of rough figure. PQ. This is a rough figure. So now actually here is not need to take 5.5 cm distance. Then here is given measurement of angle P is equal to 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree. So here PQR, this length of this side is 5.5 cm we have to take. This angle P is equal to 50 degree we have to take, and length PR is equal to 5 cm. This is our rough figure. Okay, this is a rough figure, and according to this figure we have to construct a triangle. Now one thing you should always keep in your mind, that base first you have to take. Without base we cannot construct any triangle. So the side of the length of any side you have to take first as a base. Now we will construct our triangle. So first here I will use ruler and I will take 5.5 cm distance. Okay, here I am drawing 5.5 cm side PQ. Okay, PQ, the length of this side is 5.5 cm. Okay, now what we have to do, see here angle P is equal to 50 degrees. So this angle we have to measure with the protractor. We have to take this angle 50 degree. So we will use here protractor. Okay, now 50-degree angle is here. Now I will draw segment here. Okay, now this is 50-degree angle. We got this angle 50-degree, but yet it is not completed. Then what is the length of PR? The length of PR is 5 cm. Means here we have to fix the point R. On this segment we have to fix the point R. So for that we will take 5 cm distance in our compass. Here I have taken 5 cm distance compass, and I will cut this segment. Okay, now this point is R. Now we will join the point R and point Q. We will draw line segment here. Okay, now PR is equal to 5 cm. Means here according to given measurements we have drawn triangle RPQ. Here angle P is equal to 50 degree, side PQ is equal to 5.5 cm and side PR is equal to 5 cm. So you also have to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them.